Just want to give people background information. Like I am in Montreal right now at McGill University Library. It's actually Redpath Library, as you can see, a bunch of students around, right? And showing this is because I'm here. I'm here with the students, and what's happened is taken me about
You're
two
in your
years.
element, Don, the educator. You're in your
Yeah,
element. You're around your
exactly.
people.
Right. So it's taken me about 2 years to put this together because I've done a lot of homework on this, a lot of research, a lot of development, speaking to countless number of students. What's great about a university like McGill University, not only being one of the top universities in the world, but they also have a student body of about 50,000 students. Okay, and out of the 50,000 students, there's some obviously those that are local, but there's a lot of international students coming from all over the world, from England, from Australia, from Western Europe, different countries, from France, Spain, Germany, wherever it is, from South America, Central America, Australia, I think I mentioned, Japan, China. There's so many. So I had a chance to interview a whole bunch of them and asked them. I said, listen, when it comes to marks, what's your objective? They kind of looked at me as if I fell off the wagon or something, got hit in the head. He says, obviously, you want to get the highest marks possible. I said, that's great. That's super. And I said, do you have a system and process for that? And they're like, what? There's a system and process for that? I go, yeah, there is a system and process for that. And if you're not aware about it, then what kind of mode are you in? So, predominantly, the
The
same
kind with
thing.
holes in it. The kind of boat with a bunch of holes in it. Believe me, I know.
And I know when I went through university, I was in, just like everybody else, survival mode. I was in trial and error mode. I was in constant stress mode because, just what efforts must you put in? What are the steps to put in order to learn your stuff, to know your stuff, in order to perform well, in order to get the marks, in order to write the exams properly, everything of that nature. It's all unknown. And where on this planet are students prepared for that? Nowhere. Not that I know of. Okay. And I've spoken to how many, like I said, international students. It's not done anywhere on this planet.